Alright, so today we're covering the 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius Molle panel installation process. So I've been using these for the past couple years in my primary Prius camper to secure things like my water bottle, flashlight, knife, anything that I might need easily accessible and don't want buried underneath my sleeping stuff or rolling around in the back, and it's been incredibly handy to have. The installation itself is pretty straightforward and takes less than a minute, but I wanted to make sure we had something out there to walk everyone through it and answer any questions you might have. So the only tool you're going to need is going to be a drill with a Phillips bit on the end, or you could probably even get by with just a Phillips screwdriver if you really had to. So these are secured with 4 self-tapping screws. There's no need to drill a pilot hole or anything like that. Just make sure that you don't over-tighten them when you secure them. The Molle panel fits in only one direction. It's pretty self-explanatory and sits nice and neat in the grooves, but there is a little bit of wiggle room side to side as far as where you secure it to. And you're done. I look forward to seeing what y'all come up with as far as hanging stuff on it. Enjoy!